Hello, everyone. Today is our fourth day out of the 90 days that we are building Solution for Africa with Code, and today we are on the 4th January of 2026. So today we will be working on breaking literacy barrier with code, and my name is Moise. So as we know, millions of Africans cannot access critical information because they cannot read or understand the language used. And many information like health information are into text form, or like alert information are in text form. So this makes that many Africans can't access that information. So we all know that illiteracy is not lack of intelligence. It's actually lack of access. And we've built a solution to break that. So this is basically an icon-based information page with voice and multiple languages. So what the user does is they select the language, they tap on an icon, they hear the message, and they understand it instantly. So let me demonstrate how that works. So this is the page they access. So first of all, if they go here, they're going to see the message. And
Drink clean or boiled water.
They can change the language to French.
Buvez de l'eau propre ou bouillie.
Or they can change the language to Swahili.
Kunywa maji safi yaliyochemshwa.
They can choose a different path.
Wakumbusha mafunzo ya hifadhi.
So, and they can change it to Spanish.
Practica hábitos de higiene.
So these are very simple information.
Vacúnate contra enfermedades comunes.
And very useful. And here we have just used normal technologies. We've built it with simple technologies like HTML5 for structure, CSS3 for the layout, JavaScript for the logic, and we are just using a browser. We are using no framework, we are using no backend, and these are just free tools. So this is the power of technology. So let's look at how the code looks like. For the code, first of all, we have the HTML file. Here first, the person has to select the languages of French. So we can add more languages, more African languages too. Please let me know in the comment section which are the languages we can add. We have a place where we'll place the icon, and then we have here the message and the listen button. So the JavaScript will be the one which will do all the logics. So first it loads the JSON data. So in the data JSON, we are basically having the icon and the key. And these keys are related to the translation. So in the translation, we have the language, the keyword, and the word. And each of them has the translation in every single language. So this data can be expanded since this will be community-based. So we'll have many languages which will be included in here. And then after loading the data, we're going to load the translation. After loading the translation, we're going to render the icon in this section. After rendering the icons, we're going to get the message. We're going to show the message to the user. And once the user selects the language, what we're going to do is we're going to put the message into the actual language. And by default, we're going to have the US language. And then after that, we're going to show the message using the default browser message. So, and here is our normal CSS just to make sure that our page looks very good. All of this is to allow accessible information like for health, like during COVID-19, for safety if there is, for example, a flood or a volcano, for farming, for example, if there is a drought, or if farmers want to have access for agronomy information, and also for dignity, because information is power. So you can check the link for the demo in the bio. So follow me for this journey as we continue learning, solving real African problems, coding. Link will be in the bio. The live demo will be also in the bio, and the Medium article will be available also in the bio. Thank you for joining me for day 5 out of the 90 days.